day, dear students. My name is Tlebaldinova A.S. I'm a PhD lecturer of computer modeling in information technologies. Today's our lesson is data analysis and data management. What is data mining? Data mining is a process of performing automated extraction and generating predictive information from large data banks. The following slides show the basic data mining models and tasks. Data mining involves many different algorithms to accomplish different tasks. All these algorithms attempt to fit a model to the data. The model that is created can be either predictive or descriptive in nature. This figure shows the main data mining tasks used by that type of model. Predictive models are prediction, time series analysis, regression, and classifications. And descriptive models are sequences discovery, association rules, summarization, and cluster. What is predictive model? Predictive model enables to predict the values of data by using known results from different sets of sample data. And you can see definitions of classification model, regression, and temporal mining models. Essence of a descriptive models is determination of the pattern and relationships in a sample data. And also you can see in this slide determinations of clustering model, summarization, and association rules. This slide demonstrates techniques often used for data mining. These techniques are following techniques: statistics, decision trees, machine learning, hidden Markov models, artificial neural networks, genetic algorithms, and meta-learning. What does statistics? Statistics is one of the largest branches of mathematics, which deals with the collection and analysis of numerical data by using various methods and techniques. Second technique, decision trees. A tree-shaped structure which represents a predictive model. In a decision tree, each branch of the tree represents a classification question, while the leaves of the tree represent the partition of classified information. Next, machine learning, a process of generating a computer system that is capable to acquire data independently and integrate data to generate useful knowledge. Hidden Markov models, a model that enables to predict future actions taken in time series. And artificial neural networks, the non-linear predictive models, which is the concept of learning and training and closely resemble the structure of the biological neural networks. And genetic algorithms, a search algorithm that enables to locate optimal binary strings by processing an initial random of population of binary strings by performing operations such as artificial mutation, crossover, and selection. And last technique is meta-learning, a concept of combining the predictions made from multiple models of data mining and analyzing these predictions to formulate new and previously unknown prediction. And this slide shows some of the statistical techniques that find its extensive usage in data mining. These are point estimation, the process of calculating a single value from a given sample data using statistical techniques such as mean, variance, media, and so on. Bayesian techniques, a technique of classifying data items available in a data bank. Correlation, a technique of determining the relationship between two or more different sets of data variables by measuring their values. Next technique, data summarization, the process of providing summary information from a large data bank without studying and analyzing every data elements in the data bank. Next, testing a hypothesis, a technique of applying sample data to a hypothesis in order to prove or disprove the hypothesis. Regression, a technique of estimating the value of a continuous output data variable from some input data variables.